Reach out to the Mari squad. It's your girl Kiki and your girl Queen Deja. Making slime today with it's your girl Sakaya, Princess Kaya. And then we got Kia in the kitchen, whipping up something, doing it.
Kia, hurry up.
So we're gonna make some slime today. So we got some glue, shaving foam, and Tide.
And we got rolls. Kia, hurry. I'm finna start. She's taking so long. Hold on, y'all. We got rolls. We got some mixing materials. Okay, so let's get started. Kia, me and you sharing the bottle.
And then Kaya sharing the bottle.
Need you close?
I am. It ain't showing.
What? Just pour some. Kia, don't use all of it because you know we could use the rest for tomorrow. Yeah, that much. Okay, we're gonna save some. Y'all save some glue for tomorrow. Okay, we make Ooh, the camera fell. Kyle, let me pour some for you, because I don't want you to pour the whole thing. Don't pour the whole thing. You do not pour the whole thing. What a shaving cup. What that bad guy? I'm adding lotion next. Y'all doing it wrong. Y'all doing it wrong. Y'all supposed to add glue in it. What the heck? Oh. Okay, that's not working. So.
Come on.
Feels something that
It is.
has some of mine. Why ain't have no lotion for it? Keep on.
Oh my God.
Stop. Ooh, now you go clean it out with a napkin. I'm gonna mix my glue in my
down. Girl, they like it's gonna come out. It might, but it ain't.
You already getting so mad. Cause what? Cause you spilled it.
See, that's no.
Next one. Two dots of shaving cream.
Oh my God, mine's sticky.
You gotta wait. Because you need some more acid. Because y'all making it kind of wrong.
It was a malfunction in the
That's how they do it.
torch chip in the breadboard circuit. Okay. Say hi to the missus.
Mine's not activated because I ain't activated.
You're welcome.
A little bit at a time. That's what I do.
Gotta read it. Your hands.
Kaya, you doing it because you keep getting
Disney Channel.
look at my slime
Now, let's
activated.
get back to the show on Disney
Oh
Channel.
my gosh. I got mine.
Okay, I added just the right amount. Mine's almost she need to add more activator.
second one?
We have to sneak and make
Anyone
it.
else?
The camera mine is sticky.
See,
That's real slime.
You are on fire, girl.
I made mine too sticky. Can I get some more activator in mine? Can somebody put more activator in mine?
hello, dear one.
Please, somebody.
You need to sign off your early dismissal for the coronation.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
And here remembers my daughter, Jane. It's okay. Jane is
Thank you.
everyone. Hi. That's okay. Don't mind me. As you were. Let's continue. You thought the fire was poison. Do you
I did not expect this
put it in the
chalk
king's
to be
wine?
sticky.
Bean.
At
Painted
all.
on an apple.
If y'all like y'all sticky, then comment down below that y'all like it sticky. If y'all don't like it sticky, comment down below that y'all don't. Make sure y'all give this video a like. The video is not over though. Yours is too sticky. Need some more activated.
I gotta go wash my hands. Freak
I asked for more activated.
in the kitchen.
Oh, no,
That's what I'm
that's
doing.
okay. Whatever that is, we'll pass.
Jay, Ben, offense. Chad, your defense. Taylor, you're the shooter. Hey, hey, you, boss boy. Put your helmet on. Get out of the kill zone. Come on. Dick it out. Put it on. Do it.
This is how mine's turned out. So, I like it. I'm making mine right. Yeah, look at mine. Look at mine. I made mine right. Mine's no. But this don't taste right. Tomorrow you gotta not mix it. I need some more activator because it's sticky. Mine was successful. Mine too. Mine is successful. Hers is still activated and good. That one go be to this.
Get over here. What do you call that? I call that raw talent. Come find me later. I'll show you something you haven't seen before. It's called a rule
Look
book.
at this little piece.
Welcome to the team, son.
Why you add a moon?
I just added it on because it's just not, mine is not doing what I want it to do.
I'll work in a coach. Alright,
Well,
let's run that
look
again.
at this piece. This piece did not come out right.
I'm rotten to the core.
Look at mine. Mine is so good.
Come on, Chad. Give him a chance.
Let me see. Let me see.
You're just too fussy. I know your mom fell in love with a big, nasty beast who turned out to be a prince. But with my mom, the fairy was just the evil fairy.
I think you're wrong, Mom. See you
How
later.
come I get a big slime? Because hers didn't come out right. Let me see. I got it. It's working.
Give me yours.
You threw yours away? No, hers right there. Where? That's the same one. Oh,
You should really think about taking this talent off the locker room to our place.
let me see.
I could sign you up.
Okay, so this is hers. I told you to. You should have followed what I did.
What do you think I was fun out of it?
Here now. I don't have slime. I don't know.
Tamara, just shut up. Because you just making yourself feel weak. Really, shut up. Just shut up. For real.
You got that shaving cream on your hair.
I don't care.
Hi.
Hers gonna be so
It's
sticky.
right?
Kimari's? No.
Lotion.
And lotion make it stretchy. See that? See that? See what I'm talking about? Oh, but you don't got slime. Kimari just. Ooh. Amazing. Look at hers. Hers is now activating good. Look at that. Kai, yours pretty done. Oh my God. While you still mixing. Like it.
So our slime turned out to be blue.
Huh?
I said it's blue.
The slime turned out to be blue. Mine's activated. Good. Real good, y'all.
Here. Beware or swear from Casey. Oh, brand new pair. See
What, it's sticky?
other
me see.
pictures maybe. Not like your mom with her wands. I mean, one swoosh from that thing and you could probably have whatever features you want.
Get my blue
She believes in
mini
magic
slime
in the books.
that was left in the bowl. Look at it, y'all.
You know, she
It
used
fell.
Cinderella. It wasn't even her real film.
Oh my gosh, Kaya.
Of course she does.
Yes.
You know, tough love. We're coming in.
Which one's up?
Sort of thing. The face! Yeah. And then look as if your heart is about to break.
Mine's is like milk.
Oh, Mother. I just don't understand why you can't make me beautiful, too. Beautiful work? Yeah. I mean, that's what old Cindy did, right? And your mom bibbidi-bobbidi blew the living dick lights out of her. And hey, if your mom does decide to, you know, break out the old wand, invite me. I'm convinced, Mom. You're so there. Any chance he's in line for a throne anywhere in life?
Chad, Prince Charming Jr. Cinderella's son?
So hers turned
Chad
out
inherited
pretty
the charm,
good.
but not a lot of there. Know what I mean?
I want to make mine better,
Looks like they're there to me.
but we don't got no clay.
Evie, perhaps this is just review.
If we had clay,
So tell me, what is the average atomic weight of
it fell
silver?
on the cover.
Atomic weight? Well, not very much. I mean, it's matter, right?
Teacher, it's okay. Thank you for spilling it.
Let's see.
Thank myself for spilling that.
How do you
I did
find
it.
the average atomic
You
weight
activated
of
it
silver?
good.
That would be 106.905 times 0.5200.
If you guys want to see my slime home,
108.905 times 0.4800, which Mr. Delay would give us
this is
107.9.
how my slime turned out, y'all. Turned out pretty good.
A villain?
If y'all wanna know how I made it, what I used was some glue, then I added how I made mines. I use glue, then I use first I use some Elmer's glue, then I use some lotion, then I use some shaving foam, and then I use alright, so
Put everything.
See y'all in our next video, and